What's up, guys? So I have two 12s in my trunk. I never did a video on installing them. Probably should have, but honestly I was just trying to get them in. It was my first time doing it. It took me a while, but I pretty much got them in there. Everything was hooked up. I was using them for a couple months. It's probably been like 4 or 5 months since I had them. And the other day I noticed when I was in the parking lot, I had turned the bass down and I had listened to music without the bass. And then I had turned it back up when I was coming home, and the bass was hitting so much harder, and it sounded a lot better, honestly. But I noticed when I turned the car off, the speakers were still making noise. So I went to my trunk, I looked, and the amp stays on when the car's off. So I'm guessing that's the remote wire. I don't know why it's staying on. It's been fine all this time, and I don't feel like pulling my radio. So I got the switch. I'm gonna cut the wire in half, and I'm gonna put the one wire through here, the other one through here, and I'll just turn it on and off through here for now. Honestly, I might just keep this way. There's no point in pulling the radio once I do this. I'm gonna do it inside the car. I don't want to like have to get out and open my trunk to turn it on and off. So I'm gonna figure out where to grab the wire from to put this, and I'm just gonna use the switch for now. But let me show you guys. So it still works, and if I turn my car off and I get out right now to show it, let me show you guys. Amp's still on, speakers just made noise, so that's the problem right there. So I'm just gonna throw the switch right here. I already cut the wire. Make sure you disconnect the power going to the amp, or you take your battery, disconnect the battery, because you don't want any power going through these wires, obviously. So that's the switch right there. It's off right now. And if I go to the trunk, the blue light should be off, which it is. Blue light's not on. When I come here and let me put the camera down so I can actually turn it on. When I flick the button, that's on. The amp's back on, so it's getting power. So pretty much when I'm done listening to music, I'm turning the car off. I just gotta flip the switch.